Introducing the 2011 Honda Certified CR-V. With the crystal black exterior finish, a black cloth interior, and SE trim. An SUV with initial JD Power ratings better than the RAV4, the Forester, and the Tucson, it comes with an excellent record of dependability. This CR-V does very well getting you down the highway with 27 miles per gallon fuel efficiency and will take you around the city at only 21 miles per gallon. Featuring keyless entry, previously owned by a non-smoker. This Honda is in excellent condition with low mileage below 17,000 miles. Other key features include an MP3 player, privacy glass, and aluminum wheels. A deal like this won't last long, so come test drive this CR-V at Fisher Honda today.